Hello students, how are you today? I am Bipin Sukla, TGT teacher at Umana Singh Higher Secondary School, Jaunpur. In previous video, I upload your answer key. I hope everybody done test and self-evaluate your marks. Now today I will start the third chapter named Coordinate Geometry. I hope everybody study in earlier classes to represent number on the number line. In the same way, here we will study how we represent a pair of numbers called coordinate system. First we start from what is the coordinate geometry and who is the father of the geometry. And then some important points and definitions. Now we start. What is coordinate geometry? A coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry where the position of the points on the plane is defined with the help of an order pair of numbers, also known as coordinates. And what is ordered pair? A pair of number like AB, x comma y, minus 2 comma 3, 1 comma 4. These are the ordered pair. Who is the father of geometry? Rene Descartes is the father of the geometry. Now here we start important points and definitions related to coordinate geometry. First, in order to locate the position of a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. The plane is called Cartesian plane and the line is called coordinate axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis while the vertical line is called the y-axis. See in the figure, the line x dash x is a horizontal line and the line y dash is a vertical line. These are intersect perpendicular to each other, so they form coordinate system. Now the second point, the coordinate axis divide the plane into four parts which are known as quadrants. Means there are four quadrants while two lines intersect or two coordinate axes intersect to each other. Third, the point of intersection of coordinate axes is called origin and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. The distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate or abscissa, while the distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. Fifth point, if x and y denotes the abscissa and ordinate of point P, then xy is called the coordinates of point P. Sixth point, the coordinates, the y coordinates of every point on x-axis, means the y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. It means so the coordinates of any point on x-axis is x comma 0. Like that 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 10 comma 0. The x coordinate of every point on y-axis is 0. So the coordinates of any point on y-axis is 0 comma y. The sign convention of xy of a point in various coordinates are given below. In first quadrant, abscissa and ordinate both are positive. In second coordinate, abscissa is negative but ordinate is positive. In third coordinate, both are negative, means abscissa and ordinate both are negative. In fourth quadrant, abscissa is positive and while ordinate is negative. Now these points we study on the graph. How? See here, x dash is a horizontal line known as x-axis and x-axis. Vertical line y dash. Vertical line y dash. Upside is known as y-axis and downside is known as y dash axis. Now this x dash and y dash intersect at point O is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Now the second thing, the point P whose coordinate system is x, y. X is the abscissa while y is the ordinate. See, here this vertical line and horizontal line divides the boards, means plane, into 4 parts, that is first, second, third, fourth. In first quadrant is known as xy plane, and in this quadrant x and y both are positive. In second quadrant x is negative while y is positive. In third quadrant x and y both are negative. In fourth quadrant x is positive while y is negative. Now here we have to discuss the points on x-axis. The points on x-axis. What are the points on x-axis? G, F, E, D, A, B, C. These are the points on x-axis, and the coordinates on the x-axis is like x, 0. So the coordinates of G is -4, 0. F is -3, 0. E is -2, 0. D is -1, 0. A is 1, 0. B is 2, 0. C is 3, 0. Now in the same way, in the vertical line, that is y-axis, the coordinates of y-axis is like 0, y. So S, R, Q, H, I, J, K are the points on the y-axis whose coordinates are 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, -2, 0, -3, 0, -4 respectively. Now the distance of a point P from y-axis is called x, that is a x known as abscissa, and the distance from x-axis from a point P is y. Here these are the graph of the coordinate geometry. I hope you understand this. Today's homework: write these definition in your notebook. All the essential points, learn them, and in next video I will come with some important question of your exercise. So I hope you understand all this. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.